In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local digital currency, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolic cost blast, and in several days, UNI previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in view of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges. Uniswap digital currency was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting of ballot rights, major turns of events, and so on. In 2021, the UNI token began its exhibition stunningly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget beneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast a year ago? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and reconciliation with the MetaMask wallet. In addition, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DE's connection points were not quite so instinctive as the Uniswap's. So a mechanized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any mediators. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the robotized market creator, framework. Liquidity is made by pools with the ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool's hold store. UNI holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the main undertaking with however it certainly advocated the advancement of this heading, because of which other comparative conventions started to show up. Uniswap is a critical gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange charges and this convention. Nonetheless, it turned into an issue of late. The Ethereum convention expenses became colossal, yet the Ethereum group has proactively been searching for an answer for the versatility issue. UNI specialized examination. The cost activity has been illustrative alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third form, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the TradingView stage, who are accountable for the Uniswap specialized investigation, anticipate UNI token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. All things considered, exceptionally bullish. Uniswap Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $6.16. The most extreme level that the UNI cost can reach is $7.05. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.45. UNI value figure for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical UNI pace of $6.01 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $5.50 and at $6.19, individually. October 2022, Uniswap value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the UNI cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $5.91, while the greatest could reach $6.49 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $6.20. UNI value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal UNI rate they anticipate may be around $6.32 in November 2022. It can drop to $6.03 as a base. The greatest worth may be $6.80. December 2022, Uniswap value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will be exchanged at $6.45 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $7.05. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $6.16 in December 2022. Uniswap value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $14.69. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $17.64. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $15.22 in 2023. Uniswap value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $21.08 and $25.69, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $21.69. Uniswap value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base UNI cost could drop to $30.73, while its most extreme can reach $36.75. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $31.82. Uniswap value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least UNI costs are normal in 2026, $53.39 and $44.07. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $45.34. Uniswap value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Uniswap. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical UNI cost will be around $67.17. It could drop to at least $65.35, however it actually could reach $76.67 all through 2027. Uniswap value expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan figures at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that UNI will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $96.15 and $116.35 in 2028.